One early morning, I went out to my 2017 Volkswagen e-Golf, and when I pulled on the door, nothing happened. Now, normally with the fob in my pocket, the door unlocks. So I pulled out the fob, pushed a button on it, didn't hear it unlock. Sure enough, no unlocking. Tried getting closer with the fob, still nothing. And that's when I noticed that the little LED was not coming on. So I went and grabbed my wife's fob, walked up to the car, and sure enough, it unlocked. What this indicated was that the battery in the first fob had failed and needed to be replaced. Pulling out the owner's manual, I finally found replacing the remote control vehicle key battery. And it's a simple two-step process. All you need to do is get a CR2025 3-volt replacement battery. Any brand that's available at your local grocery store, hardware store, or even drugstore should work. As it turned out, I already had a spare CR2025 because I had bought a battery for my Nikon remote, and since they tend to come in pairs, I had one left over. First thing you need to do to replace the battery is press the button on the remote to make the key pop out. And in that opening is where you're going to put something. In this case, I'm using a small Leatherman tool, but a quarter will work just as well. And all you want to do is insert something in there and twist so the cover comes loose. Pivot the cover back and off. Set it aside, and inside you will see the battery. Note the orientation. Positive side is up, facing you. In the corner, there's a little cutout, and you're going to stick something in there, a pin, a tweezer, to get the battery to come out. And the battery's under spring tension, so it'll do that. It'll pop out of sight. Grab the replacement battery. In this case, it's a CR2025, a different brand. Push it back and down, and it should snap into place. With the battery in position, you grab the cover and get the tabs to line up with the back, and then all you're going to do is press down. And I quickly found out that since I'm right-handed, I need to use my right hand to get it to lock into place. You'll see that when I press the button, the LED flashes, indicating the battery's working. So now I'm able to walk up to the car, pull the handle, and it unlocks. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, please subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching.